Welcome back to the channel. Tone is going to show us another great video set in the Exploratorium in San Francisco.
Now inside the Silage Beach, I guess the challenge is am I spinning or is the color spinning? Obviously the colors are spinning, but this is pretty cool.
Doesn't give anything. Doesn't give anything.
This is a self-centered mirror. No matter what angle you look, you only see yourself and no one else. Pretty good for the self-centered person.
Stand next to me.
I can hardly see you.
Really?
Yeah.
I can see you completely fine. You're next to me. Too many edges. So it does.
It's pendulum swing.
Okay, you do it fast, and then it just.
It tells you each.
It does it in different patterns.
Everything's based on 30 seconds.
Remember.
This trapezoidal window. Which way is the window moving?
My hand like this? Like this? Back
Yeah,
and
but
forth?
go fast though. Does it look like it's frozen, like it's not moving?
Oh, yeah, it does.
Silly. What is that, babe?
Those scores. This one you just spin.
What is this? Flourish. Spinning object. Turn the speed on. Here we go. Trove. We're now inside the distorted room. It's one of the outside galleries here at the Exploratorium. This place is a trip. Look inside, man.
It said if you look through that. Oh.
Look at this giant mirror. Everything's upside down, opposite. Looks like a big screen, but it's not. It's a mirror. Yeah, there's my camera. See me? Look, does it look like it's 3D? Look at my camera in the mirror.
Oh, yeah. That's weird.
You're weird. Live chicken embryos. Looks like a bunch of eggs.
Is that a bigger one?
Huh?
Is that a bigger one?
I've had this.
Bye-bye.